find the remainder when x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. So this is the division. We have got to do the long division and then find the remainder. Here we are going to learn an easier method called the remainder theorem, which helps us to find the remainder without doing the long division. So for the first step, you have to take your divisor. This is the divisor by which you are going to divide the polynomial, and in this case it's x plus 1. So you take x plus 1 equal to 0, you get x equal to minus 1. Now take the polynomial you need to divide. So p of x is your polynomial, x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1, and you will find p of minus 1. From where did you get the minus 1? When you equated the divisor to 0, you got x equal to minus 1. So you will find p of minus 1. And this p of minus 1 will give you the remainder. So let's go ahead and find p of minus 1. So this is x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Wherever there is x, I'm going to put minus 1, and that is going to give me my remainder. So minus 1 the whole cube is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus, and this minus again here. So plus into minus is minus. So remember, minus raised to odd, this is important, is always minus, but minus raised to an even number equal to plus. So here we have minus raised to 3, which is minus raised to odd, so we have minus 1 plus 3. Here minus 1 raised to 2, and minus 1 raised to 2 is even, 2 is even, so it will be plus 1. 3 into minus 1, minus 3 plus 1. So this is minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1. And p of minus 1 equal to 0. So by remainder theorem, we can say the remainder is 0. So without doing the long division, we have found the remainder by the remainder theorem. So this r I could cancel, and I know the remainder here would be 0. If you do the long division, you will see that the remainder is 0. Find the remainder when x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 is divided here by x minus 1 by 2. So we need to find remainder. So we take the divisor, that is x minus 1 by 2 equated to 0, and we get x equal to 1 by 2. Now the polynomial of which we have to find the remainder is p of x, and p of x is x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. To find the remainder, we do p of 1 by 2. This will give us the remainder, which is equal to x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Wherever there is x, I will put 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And we go ahead and work it out. So 1 by 2 the whole cube is 1 by 8. 1 by 2 the whole square is 3 into 1 by 4. This will be 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Here the LCM will be 8. So you will have here 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8. And this is 27 by 8. So we found P of 1 by 2 equal to 27 by 8. Therefore, remainder equal to 27 by 8. Remember, this is by remainder theorem. So we can now erase this r, and we can know if we were to do our long division, we would get 27 by 8. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x. So again, we take the divisor x equal to 0, and then we find p of 0 will be the remainder. This is by remainder theorem. So we put p of x equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So p of 0 cube, wherever there is x, I'm putting 0 plus 1. 0 cube 0, 3 into 0 0, this is 0 plus 1. So p of 0 equal to plus 1, and p of 0 by remainder theorem, p of 0 is a remainder. P of 0 is 1, so remainder equal to 1, which means when we divide here, our remainder will come 1. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus pi. If we were to do this by long division, it would take us very long. So we are now going to do it by remainder theorem. So x plus pi equal to 0. So we have x equal to minus pi. Now the p of x equal to x cube plus 3x square 3x plus 1. Now we need to find the remainder, so we find p of pi, and wherever there is x, we will put pi. So this was x cube here, 3, this is x square, 3, this is x plus 1, and for x I put pi, this is pi, here pi. So this would be now pi cube plus 3 pi square 3 pi plus 1. This would be the remainder. So here if we were to divide, our remainder would come as pi cube plus 3 pi square 3 pi plus 1. Find the remainder when again x cube plus 3x square 3x plus 1 is divided by 5 plus 2x. We need to find the remainder. So we do the same process. We do 5 plus 2x is equal to 0. So 2x is minus 5, and x equal to minus 5 by 2. To find the remainder, we know p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square 3x plus 1. To find remainder, we are going to do now for x, we will put minus 5 by 2. So wherever there is x, x cube, 3x square, 3x plus 1. Here minus 5 by 2 cube, minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2. So p of minus 5 by 2 will be equal to minus 125 over 8 plus 3 into 25 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. So this is minus 125 by 8 plus 75 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 1. Here we'll take the LCM, and in this case the LCM will be 8, and you'll get here minus 125, 75 into 2, 150, and this will be 2 into 4, so means 15 into 4 minus 60, and this will be 8. This is equal to minus 27 by 4. So the remainder will be minus 27 by 4. So if you erase this, if you were to do your division, you would have got it answers 27. The remainder is minus 27 by 4. Here you cannot make out the quotient. The quotient you can't make, you don't know, but you can find out the remainder. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. So for this, first I'll do x minus a equal to 0, so x equal to a. Then we know p of x equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. So to find remainder, by remainder theorem, we know p of a will give us the remainder. So p of a will be equal to, here we have x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. So wherever there is x, I will put a. So here will be x cube wherever there is x minus a. So here I will put a, this will be a, and this will be a. So here you get a cube minus a into a square is a cube plus 6a minus a. Now plus a cube minus a cube will cancel out, and what will remain here is 6a minus a, which is 5a, p of a, which will give us a remainder. So in this case, on dividing, if you find the remainder, it would be 5a. Now if I were to ask you, is 4 the factor of 64? How would you find out? You will divide 64 by 4 and check for the remainder. So you put 1 here, that is 4, 24, then we have 6, 24, and the remainder has come 0. And because remainder is 0, you will say 4 is factor of 64. Now if I were to ask, is 4 the factor of 106? So for that you will take 4 and you will divide it by 106. So here 2, 8, 26, 4s are, it's not 4s are here, 6 are. So that will come 24. Now the remainder is 2. So is it a factor? You will say 4 is not factor of 106 because remainder was not equal to 0. So if remainder is 0, we say it is factor. if remainder is not equal to 0, it is not a factor. So the remainder decides if it is a factor or not. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So what we need to do is take 3x cube plus 7x and divide it by 7 plus 3x. In fact, while dividing, we'll have to write 3x plus 7 because it is written in order. And check for the remainder. If remainder comes 0, if this is 0, we will say yes, it is factor. If not equal to 0, we will say not factor. So how do we check for the remainder without doing the division? We will do 7 plus 3x equal to 0, 7, 3x equal to minus 7, so x equal to minus 7 by 3. Now our P of x is 3x cube plus 7x. To find the remainder, we have to do P of minus 7 by 3. So 3x cube plus 7x. So you have minus 7 by 3 here, minus 7 by 3. So when we calculate 3, minus raised to 3 will be minus, and 7 cube is 343. 3 cube is 27 plus 7 into 7, 49 over 3, and there's a minus here. So this will be minus, you'll cancel out, it will come 343 over 9 minus 49 over 3. Here the LCM will be 9. So minus 343 minus 147, and here you get minus 490 over 9. So now here the remainder equal to minus 490 over 9. Remainder not equal to 0. Therefore 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x.